What's up guys, Quick Generation here with another awesome video. Today I'm going to be installing the new sequential side marker lights on the BMW 335i. Coming up. So here is my 335i, and this is what we're going to be removing today. We're going to be changing this light. I don't know if you can see it. I know it's a little dirty. And we're gonna install a sequential light over there. It's gonna look so insane. Alright, to remove it, it's pretty easy. You just gotta see how it moves a little bit to the back. So it has like a spring. It has like a clip that is making pressure towards the front of the car, so you just need to push it back, and then with a tool lift it up from the front and it should come right up. Let's do it. Okay, so push it back first, like push it back and then lift it from the front. It should come right up, see, just like that. This is the clip that you gotta press. Press it back and then lift it from the front and it should come right up. Super easy, super simple. Now let's install the new one. Look the difference, guys. That is insane. With the new sequentials one, it's gonna look a whole lot better with those lights. Look at the difference. Clear chrome, smoke black. Oh. Also, huge shout out to Colorado M5X. Those are the guys that sent me these sequential lights, so I'm gonna have a link down in the description so you can go and check them out. Super cool guys. They do a lot of stuff for 335, M54, M55, and now of the F-Series too. So make sure to go and follow them.
12 seconds later.
Okay, so once you remove the OEM side marker, you gotta remove this white part because we're gonna reuse it. And to do that, you have to lift this clip right here and then twist it a little bit and it should come right up. See, comes right up. Next thing, we're gonna remove the bolt. Let's see if I can do it one-handed. There we go, see. And now where the bolt was, you're gonna connect the new sequential side marker right there, just like that, and then just plug it back in. Okay, before we put it back, let's make sure it works. Look at that. That's insane. Sequential side marker. This is the new super nice LED sequential side markers. And this is the old ugliest one. What a difference. Okay, now let's put everything back together. I'm gonna do the other side, the same thing, and then I'll show you the final product.
A few moments later.
Okay, now both of them are installed. Let's go and check them out. That looks so nice. Let's turn it on. The hazard. That's insane. Check the other side. Wow. Actually, let me see if I can put the turn signal on. Alright, so let's turn on the car. I want to see if the turn signal are yellow or they stay just white. Let's see. Actually, that's a coaster. Man, that's a little loud. Let's see the signals. Yeah, they stay white, but still they look insane. There you have it, guys. Super easy install, super easy. It looks very nice when it's done, and I really recommend it. Shout out to Colorado M5X and his owner, I think is Brian. Yeah, Brian. I'm gonna link his Instagram and everything down below. This is his car. Super clean M3. Not nice. Focus. So I'm gonna have a link down below. It's the same person that I bought this. The close care gauge. I'm gonna have a link over here, so you can go and check it out because those gauges look insane. I'm talking about these ones. See, those gauges, they look super nice, super clean. Look at that. That's the same website where I bought the Sequential Side Markers. They said those cool. So huge shout out to Brian and Colorado M5X. I really recommend it. I'm gonna have a link down below. Go check it out. And that's all for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoy. I hope you like it. If you like it, hit that like button over there. And if you want to support the channel, please subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any of my video. There's a lot of clean coming up for my Subaru, on my BMW 335i. So stay tuned. Make sure to hit that subscribe button over there. Alright, thanks for watching and see you on the next video. Ooh.